Creating an NFT on Crypto.com is a straightforward process that requires a few simple steps. To begin, you need to have a Crypto.com account and the Crypto.com NFT platform enabled. If you do not have an account, sign up and complete the verification process to get started. First, navigate to the Crypto.com NFT platform and click on the Create button to start the NFT creation process. You will need to connect your wallet to the platform, so make sure you have your wallet details ready. Next, select the type of NFT you want to create, such as an art piece, collectible, or music file. Choose a file format that is supported by the platform, such as JPEG, PNG, or MP3. Upload your file and add a title and description to your NFT. After uploading your file, you will need to set a price for your NFT. You can choose to sell it at a fixed price or auction it off to the highest bidder. You will also need to set a royalty percentage, which determines how much you will earn from future sales of your NFT. Once you have filled in all the required details, review your NFT to ensure everything is correct. If you are satisfied, click the Create button to mint your NFT. The minting process may take a few minutes, and you will need to pay a small gas fee to complete the transaction. After your NFT is created, it will be listed on the Crypto.com NFT marketplace, where it can be purchased by other users. You can also share your NFT on social media to promote it and attract potential buyers. To increase your chances of selling your NFT, make sure it is high quality and unique. Use relevant keywords in your title and description to make it easier for buyers to find. Additionally, consider offering a limited edition or exclusive NFT to create a sense of scarcity and urgency. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully create and sell an NFT on Crypto.com. Remember to stay up to date with the latest trends and developments in the NFT market to maximize your chances of success.